Sup, folks? Hey, I have to do a voiceover for this video because I tried to record outside and it was super windy. But anyway, uh, this is me showing the Icon ball joint press in action. What am I doing? Oh, I just decided to cut the stud off for this particular application because it kept getting in the way. But anyway, I had to record with one hand and then try to balance this monstrosity with the other hand. So, kind of all over the place. But, here shortly, as you can see, man, this bad boy is nice. I have no issues with it. No complaints. I rated 5 out of 5 stars. All of the attachments clip on. You don't have to try to fight and try to balance everything and all the adapters while trying to balance the ball. I don't have to do any of that stuff with this press. It's nice. Not a sponsor. Peace.